Hello friends, welcome to my channel Study Zone for Students. Today's topic is on derivatives. Here I am given some basic standard formulas on derivatives and I am given some example problems on derivatives also. First I will explain what is derivative and how it will works. Here derivative, the concept of the derivative of a real valued function. The concept of the derivative of a real valued function at a point is intimately connected with the slope of the tangent of the curve. With the slope of the tangent of the curve means, let's take a graph. This is x-axis and this is y-axis. The point which is to, this is making one point, it is C, and again one point is C plus H. Y is equals to f of x function. Y is equal to be a function which is to f of c. Here f is continuous. At x is equals to c. The point P, here point Q. The point P makes c comma function of c, and Q makes c plus h comma function of c plus h. These are the 2 points. Here c plus h is lies in neighborhood of c. C plus h lies in the neighborhood of c. Here h is very small. If h not equal to 0, it may be case when h is greater than 0. The slope of the line PQ is equals to, you already know, slope of the line PQ, y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Here P value is P of C of a function of C, and Q is Q of C plus H comma function of C plus H. This is x1 y1, x2 y2. Then slope PQ is equals to y2 means function of C plus H minus function of C by x2 means C plus H minus C. C gets cancelled. Then slope PQ is equals to function of C plus H minus function of C by H. Now if we hold P point fixed and let Q approaches P closer to closer. The value of the slope varies. In this position, the line PQ becomes a tangent to the curve P. The line PQ becomes a tangent to the curve at P. The limiting value of the slope when the limiting value of the slope when Q tends to P, that is limit h tends to 0, f of c plus h minus f of c by h is called derivative of f at point x is equals to c is denoted by f dash of c. Here f dash means derivative. Let's see what are the formulas on derivatives. These are the standard formulas on derivatives. You have to memorize all these formulas because then only you can solve the problems very easily. First, I will explain some formulas with examples. After that, I will give you some example problems and exercises for practice. Let's start the first one. Any integer means 0, 1, 2, 3, or any integer, then d by dx into any integer is equal to 0. Here we have differentiating with respect to x. With respect to x means we have the x value, it will contain the integer with x value, otherwise it will be 0. Means I will example, if d by dx of 2x, 2x means here it is containing x, x means here differentiating with respect to x, then the value is 2. If d by dx into ax means here containing x, and it means d by dx with respect to, we are differentiating with respect to x, then the value is a. So these are the examples for the first formula. The next formula is d by dx x power n is equals to n into x power n minus 1. These are the standard formulas. We have to use the standard formulas. N means I'm giving what is this, x power n means n into x power n minus 1. I will give you some example. If x power n, here we are using x power 2, differentiate with respect to x, then means d by dx x square is equals to n, here n is 2, then 2 into, here n is 2, x power n minus 1, n is 2, n minus 1, then 2 into x power 1, that means 2x. Another example, if d by dx is 2 into x cube means here 2 into n, here 3, x power n means 3 minus 1, then the value is 2 3 just 6, x power 3 minus 1 square, then 6x square, if x square. Then third example is d by dx under root x. Here differentiate under root x means 1 by 2 root x. If we have, for example, if we have d by dx 2 root x, then 2 into 1 by 2 root x, then root x 2 gets cancelled, then the value is 1 by root x. Like that we have to do. Here fourth one is d by dx e power x. This is the standard formula. If we d by dx of e power x, always e power x. For example, d by dx e power 2x, then this value differentiate with respect to x, e power 2x is e power 2x, but here 2 is there, then with differentiate with respect to x, then 2x differentiation means here d by dx into 2x, then the value is 2, e power 2x into d by dx 2x means 2, then 2 into e power 2x. Example, I will give in another example. Then d by dx e power x square is there, then e power x square means they differentiate with respect to x, then e power x square is e power x square d by dx into x square, then that is e power x square into 2x, then 2 into e power x square into x, 2x into e power x square. This is the value. Here I am given some problems for exercise. Please try to solve those problems. If you get answer, give me answer in comment section. If you not get, comment me in comment section. I will explain in my next video. Thank you for watching the video. If you like my video, please subscribe and share.